Want to improve on-farm performance through a program that's customized for you? The MLA Profitable Grazing Systems program gives producers a chance to work with a coach to make adoption of new practices easier. This hands-on program matches you with a small group of producers and a coach who'll work with you to improve farm outcomes. This is mentoring responsive to your area, your needs, and your conditions. Targeted training packages might include managing the business side of your livestock enterprise, staying disciplined in your capital expenditure, drought management through the dry times, getting the most bang from your fertilizer, improving lamb compliance and eating quality, lifting lamb survival rates, pasture management in any season, situation or system, and using technology to develop grazing budgets, and more. It's a whole-of-farm approach to drive profitability. So why not consider getting involved? Apply now at mla.com.au/PGS.